Welcome to this video, where we'll break down the basics of Forex in an easy-to-understand way. Whether you're a complete beginner or just looking to refresh your knowledge, this video is for you. 1. What is Forex? Forex, short for foreign exchange, is the global marketplace for buying and selling currencies. It's the largest and most liquid financial market in the world, with an average daily trading volume exceeding $6 trillion. 2. How does Forex work? Forex trading involves the simultaneous buying of one currency and selling of another. Currencies are traded in pairs, such as euro to US dollar, euro/US dollar, or pound sterling to Japanese yen, British pound/Japanese yen. The first currency in the pair is the base currency, and the second is the quote currency. 3. Why trade Forex? Liquidity. The Forex market is incredibly liquid, meaning you can easily enter and exit trades. Flexibility. The market operates 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, allowing for trading at any time. Leverage. Forex brokers often offer leverage, which allows traders to control larger positions with a smaller amount of capital. Who participates in the Forex market? 5. Educate yourself. Learn the basics of Forex trading, including terminology and strategies. Choose a reliable broker. Ensure the broker is regulated and offers a good trading platform. Open a demo account. Practice trading with virtual money before risking your own capital. Develop a trading plan. Create a strategy that includes your goals, risk tolerance, and preferred trading style. Risks of Forex trading. Forex trading can be profitable, but it's also risky. Prices can move rapidly, leading to significant gains or losses. It's crucial to manage risk by using tools like stop-loss orders and not trading more than you can afford to lose. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, leave a comment below. Happy trading!